July 3rd, and just wanted to do an update for everybody before the 4th. Everyone's coming up for the show. And so here's an update. We'll take a little bit more time today and talk about this. Outer, inner tie rods. We actually just did that this morning. On the sway bars, we did the end links. That was a few weeks ago. But we found out those were in pretty bad shape, those tie rods, when we did the conversion from power steering to a manual steering rack, which is all in. Everything's real clean. Just taking our time, making sure that, as well as we know, we're doing it right. After we finished that, went back here, disconnected the gas tank, first of all on this side, and started trimming out for some of these wheels, which you're gonna see here in a little bit. Gas tank. And we'll be doing brakes next on the car. But trimmed a lot of this fender and junk metal off of here. We're gonna reinforce it with the frame when we put the hoop in, and some really beefy bars here along the side. Just kind of make it more rigid, because you definitely lost some rigidity when I cut those out. I don't know if you can see that on the video or not. Here's some of the parts that have arrived. What do you think, Jackson?
Got a lot of cool stuff, starting with the seat. We have two, but one is up in my room right now. We have ceramic spray coating, so everything stays nice and clean around our wheels. New rims and tires for the car. So we're gonna have amazing grip. You guys can see here we have everything slotted and drilled rotors, new pads, calipers. We're gonna paint the calipers orange.
Bright orange, we've got that paint on the way. It's like a ceramic, hard, high temp paint. So here's our headers, PLM headers. So still got a few exhaust components on the way. Vibrant resonator, vibrant muffler, flex pipe. Obviously the engine has to go in first before we do all that work. And then lastly, this week, what's that?
It's the Holy Grail. It's a pipe bender.
Tube bender, Rogue Fabrication out of Oregon. So I found it on Marketplace for a great buy. Picked it up because we're gonna need that for all the structural hoops, roll cage, fenders, all that good stuff. So that'll be a lot of fun. What else? Is that pretty much it?
Yeah, I mean, last time we went through the motor.
Yeah. So imagine all this stuff in this car, painted white, bright orange tubing, bright orange calipers. A lot of work to do, but that's the update for now.
Good things on the way.